is kind of the agenda for tonight. As I mentioned before, it's going to be super casual, an opportunity to meet the rest of the other students.
I am a nurse educator at the local hospital here.
Why did I pick harness projects? Again, it was a bit of the community-based projects that they actually do.
I've done marketing before. My expectations by the end of the program is to sort of understand UX more and develop technical skills.
I can point out the problems, but not able to come up with a solution.
I really miss this creative part when you can design solution.
I did a psychology degree and never really had the right guidance back.
Currently I'm doing the digital marketing job for the fashion company.
And I'm currently working for an Australian company as a multimedia designer.
Between now and then, it'd be great if you could have an opportunity to go and read through the brief.